any brand ng mineral. Ito. Mineral water, any brand. Okay. Sakto na to ang electric pan. Okay. Ito po yung tap water. Okay, so yung electric pan gumagalaw. So, tap water galing sa garipo. Okay guys. Ito po yung mineral water. Is also dead water.
Very good.
So,
Pak.
so ito po yung mineral, any brand ng mineral, no? Mineral water, any brand. So, yung mineral water is also dead water. So, wala. So, nothing, no? So, ito po yung tap water galing sa garipo. Buhay na buhay. Pati yung electric pan.
Now, the septillion.
So, mag-demo na po taan ni dire sa septillion. So, okay. So, yung mineral water, lagyan dito ng mineral water. Pangatlong glass.
Okay.
Kunti lang muna. Okay. So, ito po yung tap water. Ito po yung mineral water. Ito po yung mineral water. Lagyan ng septillion. Okay. So, isa, duha, tulo. Tulo na. Isa, duha, tulo. No. So, yung mineral water nagiging
Pak.
buhay na buhay. Pati yung electric pan umiikot.
Wow.
So, balik ta sa mineral water.
Dead water.
Is also dead water. Kaya nga, uminom kayo ng mineral,
Para?
dito lang. Kasi dead water. Ito naman, yung tap water galing sa garipo,
Maayos
buhay
pa.
na buhay.
Pero, maraming pero.
So, mag-final taon niya, guys.
Okay.
Dead water, tap water, dead water, mineral, tapos mineral may alkaline water.
Perfect. Go.